Hello to the best audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some amazing chicken breast roll-ups. And for that we need, of course, some chicken breast. We need parsley, dill, garlic, red pepper, black pepper, and food jelly. For the beginning, all we have to do is start with cutting down the chicken breast into several pieces, like as you see in the video. Whenever done with the chicken breast, we'll proceed to the next step, which is cutting down the dill and parsley into very small pieces. And whenever you are done with this step as well, we'll go on and do the rest, which is very easy, and like adding salt to the breasts, adding a red pepper and black pepper. We need also to add the food jelly to this. The garlic. And the greens, the parsley and the dill that we have just cut it down. Whenever all of the ingredients are added to the breast, we are going to mix properly all of these ingredients together. Yes, properly. So go on and use your hands. And whenever done, whenever all of the breast parts are covered with the other ingredients, let's take a plastic bag and fill it out with these ingredients, with the breast parts, And whenever covered, let's make sure it doesn't have any other open part. Let's give some type of a form to it, like as you see in the video, and repeat everything like as you see in the video and you will get it. Now let's make sure that the both endings of the plastic bags are closed. And we'll need it to stay overnight in the refrigerator, and whenever ready you can open it up and cut it down into pieces and serve. This is going to be absolutely delicious. We hope everyone will like it.